everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to use the designing app slash website Canva. So if you're using a laptop, I don't think there's an app available. So you're going to want to search up canva.com and then click on the link. So if you're on an iPad, even an iPhone, you can get the app and it's actually easier to use because it's less glitchy. So on Canva, it's a really cool app. It's one of my favorites because you can use it for basically anything. You can use it to design animated social media posts, Instagram story, logos, Facebook posts, posters, things like that, photo collages, and even business cards, and so much more. So let's say that we want to design a business card. So we search up business card. There's all these cool templates, and you can pick whichever one you want. Or you can even just click on blank, and it's going to show you a big white thing where you can just do whatever you want. So for this, I think I'm going to want to pick a template. So I think I really like this one. So I'm going to click on there. And the first thing I want to do is I want to check out both of these options. But I think I like this one better because there's space for more information. So first, I want to change that text by just clicking on it, then deleting everything, and now you can write whatever you want. So I'm going to write my name, Leela. Now, when we want to change the font, because that's a little bit, it just doesn't fit. It just doesn't work with the, with my, like, what I do. So we're going to press, you see on the top right corner where it says, top left corner where it says Jonathan, click right there, and that's where the font name is going to go. So there's a million fonts. Some of them are only for Canva Pro, but you can get that. It's still going to cost money. It's $12.99 a month, but you don't need it. So for this, I think I'm going to pick a font. I think I'll pick this one. That one's really cool. So now here's where you're going to write the name of your job. So private tutor, because that's what I do, you know. Here is where you will write your address. Here's where you're going to write your email, and here's where you write your phone number. So here, even if you only use WhatsApp or if you only use iMessage, you can go to Elements and search icons and shape. Search up WhatsApp. And there's all these really cool things, and then you can put them, you can select whichever one you want. I think I'll do this one. It has some watermarks, so if you don't want those, you can pick a different one, but I'm pretty sure they all have. So it's not really going to be visible if we shrink it like that. So now let's drag it right here and put it next to our phone number. If you don't use WhatsApp and you only use iMessage, you can click on that, press the delete on your keyboard, or you can press the trash can icon, and there it's gone. The trash can icon is right here on the top right corner. So now if we use iMessage, we basically do the same thing. Like that, say. Okay, now let's get rid of that because we don't need any of that. So that's basically all you have to do to make a business card. Now, if you want to change the color, you go to the background, and it's going to say where the font name used to be, it's going to have a color square. So you can change it to whatever you want. For example, that. And if you press new color, it's going to show you like a grid where you can customize your very own color. So I think I want that one. That looks really good. Well, that's basically it for the business card. And now I'm going to teach you guys how to make one more thing, which is a book cover. So you're going to go over here and type in book cover. It's right there in suggestions. So if you have a romance book or novel, you can maybe pick something like that. And remember, you can always change the name and the picture. So let's say that we're doing one sort of like this one. Sorry, no. Something closer to this. So, of course, we don't have to name it The Sound of Waves. You can just type in your name of the book. So, you can change the picture in the back by first erasing it. So, you just press a delete on your keyboard, and now it's gone. Now you go to Camera Roll, where it has right here, and pick your photo. So now that you selected your image, you can change its size by dragging the corners, just like that. Now, let's delete all that text, and we can write some text of our own. So here is all the suggestions for text and the good combinations. So I don't think any of these will work for this specific book cover. So let's add a heading. And you can write the name of the book. I haven't written a book yet, so we're going to want to do something like that matches the picture. So the sunset. Now you can change the color by going to selecting it, then going to the little A icon with a little color bar. So now we can change the color to whichever one you want. And if we want to move, we grab it and drag it to the bottom or wherever we want it to be. So let's say we want it to be there. And now let's change that font. So we'll go to where it says Open Sounds Extra Bold. And pick something maybe like this. So if you don't like it, of course you can change it. I don't think that just fits very well, so something more like that, perfect. And you can change the size by either dragging the corners or going to the size where it says 147 and making it bigger like that, or editing the size. But I think it's easier just to drag the corners. And now you're going to add a subheading and write the author. So, by Leela Teaches. So, the best part is that downloading it is actually free. So all you have to do is press that little down arrow and it automatically saves it to your camera roll. As you can see, it says preparing your design. Almost done, and there we go. You can press the X or not now, or you can even press try for free, whatever you want. Now, let's press that X. And, well, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!